We're back here. Guess what I'm gonna build? Yes, sir. It's the Daily Bugle. I'm gonna build it. All right, so let's just go ahead and get to it. I got my flat plate here and all my bags. I'm just gonna take these out and open them right up into my little bin here. And my extra parts. You guys love this sound, so I'm just gonna let you savor it for a few minutes. This is the best. Make sure I get all my parts out of the bag. I just want to make sure I've got everything out of the bag. And this is where it's going to get interesting, because each part of this book does have instructions on how to build this. And it also has lots of parts in each section that you build. So, more than likely, how many windows are in this building? I'm going to go through these, but I'm going to add them just like this, because apparently it takes all these parts to build this first floor. Well, not all these parts, because these are windows, but all these other parts basically are needed to build this section. And I've got bag number 1, and in bag number 1 I have a lot of bags. Let's rip this open. I'm going to get these out, and this first video will probably just be opening all these bags and getting the parts out. Now you notice I'm using a bin. Some people actually sort their Lego parts. I like to go through them. Sometimes I will not show you where I'm sorting through these, because this is going to take a while, and there's a lot of parts here, but I will be making this sound throughout the videos just to surpass your SMR, you know, audio reception. So really cool that you get that. Oh, and I have some minifigures, so I'm going to have to pull those out, but I'll get to those in a minute. Matter of fact, I'll just pull these out right now because they're on top. So let me, since they're on top, I'll go ahead and grab those and I'll stick them over to the side. Since I have them right in front of me, it'd be easier if I pull them out now and get them over to the side, because then if I'm missing one, I can look for it and say, oh yeah, got it. So like I said, I've got more of these. I've got a ton of these bags. This is going to be a very excellent build. So I've got all these parts, and I'm going to have another bin in a minute. I'll show you how I do this. And like I said, this video is probably just going to be opening bags and putting in parts. I always try to make sure that I've got all the parts. These are extra stuff that go on the side of the building. Spidey web, if you will. And I'm going to clean up my bag mess over there. And yeah, we're going to get to building pretty soon. So exciting. Okay. I'm also going to put on some more lighting, because I don't think this is enough lighting for what I need it for. Ooh, there's a mouse. That's cool. So like I said, I'm going to get to building pretty soon. I just love that sound. I'm gonna grab another bin. I'm gonna clean this up. So I will see you in the next video.